Hey, it's Aquila Mariyah here, and today I'm going to be discussing the benefits of breathing exercises.
I like to sit back and watch a tree grow. I like the way they think it's all growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these
If you are new to my channel, my name is Aquila Mariyah, and I'm a mindset coach. I feel it's extremely important to shift your mindset from a negative one, a fixed one possibly, to a positive one, a growth mindset. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead and hit the thumbs up button for the algorithm so that my video can reach more people. So breathing is so important. I know that you can notice a difference when you take a deep breath to calm yourself down, as opposed to taking shorter breaths that you're probably doing throughout the day when you're not really focused on it. When you're taking deeper breaths and releasing it slowly, or just inhaling deeply and exhaling, is going to allow your lungs to work and exercise. So daily breathing exercises are going to help you improve your lung function. And when you're doing that, it also helps with your blood circulation. And when you help your blood circulation, it helps your brain function. So do yourself a favor and take deep breaths more often. Focus on your breath more often. When you focus on your breath, it brings stillness, calmness, and releases stress. A lot of times stress may be caused by outside things, including the past or your future. You can't change the past, and you don't know what your future is actually 100% going to be. So taking time to focus on your breath and be in the now is an extreme benefit that you can do for yourself. That is a reason why a lot of people meditate, is because it gives you time to focus on your breathing, gain back control of being in the now, and allows you to let go of any worry you may have. Breathing exercises also help release toxins and tension. So if you notice when you are at the chiropractor, or when you are meditating, doing yoga, or working out, you are breathing. And the reason why you're supposed to focus on your breath, even when you're getting a piercing or a tattoo, you're supposed to focus on your breath, because it reduces your tension. And because it helps release tension, it also helps with pain. And when you are in pain, it's best to breathe through that pain. I don't know why, and I don't know about you, but when I feel pain, my first instinct is to just boom, stop breathing, hold my breath, which makes absolutely no sense, because the more you breathe, the easier it is to handle the pain. So if you know the reason for that, comment down below why your natural instinct may be to hold your breath whenever you do feel pain or feel any type of tension, because it makes absolutely no sense to me at all. A lot of the reasons why people, and myself included, meditate and focus on our breath is because it relaxes your mind and body, which in turn impacts your mood. And I personally can see a difference within myself when I go a few days without meditating. That's why I do my best to not do that. But life happens. I'm not perfect, and I never want to make it seem as though I'm perfect. Like I meditate every day, I work out every day, I eat completely healthy. That's not me. That's not true. All I do is practice every day to do my best, to be active, to meditate, and to eat clean. But meditation impacts your mood tremendously. I know from experience, and my patience is a lot lower when I don't meditate or I don't take time to focus on my breath. I have also set an alarm in my phone, so that way if I do forget, because I'm going through life, to just breathe and focus on my breath, that I have that chance to be in the now and just breathe and just appreciate that I am able to breathe, and appreciate being able to see, taste, feel, and just be alive in general. And I don't know about you, but being able to just breathe and show gratitude really increases my mood to a happy space. I've used breathing exercises when I'm trying to take a nap or go to sleep, because it allows me to fall asleep a lot quicker and not focus so much on the thoughts that just decide to pop up as soon as I close my eyes, which can impact you falling asleep slowly or quickly. So focusing on my breath just calms down my thoughts and allows me to peacefully go to sleep. There are a lot more benefits to breathing exercises, but those were just a few. If you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you're notified every time that I upload a video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit the thumbs up button for the algorithm. I have changed my schedule to being at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday. It was getting really difficult to make sure the video was out at 6 every day. So this way it's less stress on me and more realistic, and also online. When I say it's going to be online, I'm changing the time, 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time and Monday through Friday. Thank you so much for your support. I truly, truly am grateful for you. I hope you have a positive, blissful day or night whenever you're watching this. Always remember to be love, be peace, be positive, spread love everywhere you go, and always, always, always be you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these motherfuckers.